everyone, this is Brian with Oceancarestore.com. Wanted to do a quick video to introduce myself as a business owner, give you a little insight into my background, as well as a quick overview of what it is we offer on the website. So Oceancarestore.com is an online retailer for what I feel is the world's best line of tile maintenance and sealer products. So to give you a little background, I come from a tile installation background. My older brother is a tile contractor in the Palm Springs area, still is, and I started going out and helping him on jobs when I was just in high school. Continued with that out of high school and worked with him for many years, became a professional tile installer, and actually became a foreman for a high-end tile installation company doing big custom homes in the Palm Springs area. Then at the age of 30, I completely destroyed my lower back and had to look around and find another avenue for my knowledge and skills, which at that point was 100% focused in the tile world. I really didn't know anything else. So I looked around and I was fortunate enough to come in contact with a company called Oceanside Glass and Tile. And I began working with Oceanside Glass and Tile in 2006. And I am still employed there today. In fact, I'm sitting in my office at Oceanside Glass and Tile right now. And there's a connection there with Oceancare Products. So in 2006, when I started working with Oceanside Glass and Tile, I was working in the technical services department, where we focused on installation instructions, worked on an industry level, developing installation standards and material standards. And my background in installation and hands-on work really came in handy in that world, and that knowledge went a long way. And to that end, I was also part of the team that worked on developing Oceancare Products, which is a private label line that was developed and is wholesaled by Oceanside Glass and Tile, my employer. So I was directly involved with the development of the products. And the entire time I did that, it was with that installation background in mind and with a focus on user experience and performance. So I've been on my hands and knees sealing a grout job in the middle of summer in the desert, and it's horrible and it's hot and it's difficult, and I wanted to make that job as easy as possible, and that was part of the development process and this criteria and the standards we used for all of these products. I've done clean and seal jobs where I've gone in and cleaned a stone floor and then resealed it, and I wanted to be able to turn that around and do it as quickly as possible, make products that help installers get on and off jobs quicker, make more money, and then help the homeowners maintain those floors and get the best value they could get out of those products. So that was the mindset that went into the development of the product, and that's what I try to bring to Oceancarestore.com now. So Oceancarestore.com is my project. I'm the business owner. I have launched it in partnership with Oceanside Glass and Tile. They've allowed me to go and start this online retail program where I'm selling the products to the general public online, and that's where that marriage comes together. So I bring that deep installation background. I bring the deep knowledge of the products and how they work and how they're best utilized. I really 100% believe in them. I've done the testing myself. I did the testing with the third-party labs. I was there every step of the way. So what does that mean to you? It means you have somebody behind the website, behind the products, who has very deep knowledge of them and hands-on experience using them in the field. So if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out. The best way to get me is info@oceancarestore.com. If I start to see the same question over and over again, I am planning on doing a series of FAQ videos where I will answer those questions and give you some advice on the best way to use these products and keep up maintenance in things like your pool or natural stone floors or grout, which is a major issue for a lot of people. So if you're interested in that kind of information, hit the subscribe button. We should be having videos coming out on a fairly regular basis, and I hope to share some very practical knowledge that I've gained over all these years. So I appreciate you watching. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Go over to Oceancarestore.com, check out the products. I think you'll like them as much as I do, and we'll see you next time.